This small mini PC is actually a full Windows desktop computer. This is a GEEKOM A5 Pro mini PC 2026. It is under $600. It is designed to offer a good balance of performance and efficiency. Inside this small body, you get an AMD Ryzen processor, upgradable RAM, NVMe SSD storage, and support for multiple displays. In this video, we will take a closer look and see what it offers, which might help you decide if it's the right mini PC for you. So let's get started with the unboxing. Inside, the first thing we see is the GEEKOM A5 Pro mini PC itself. And underneath, here's everything that comes in this package: user guide and documentation, the 65-watt power adapter with its power cable, HDMI cable, and Visa mount, so you can mount the PC behind your monitor. Everything is packed nicely inside the box, and this is basically everything you need to get started right away. The GEEKOM A5 Pro is extremely compact and weighs only 421 grams. The chassis has a premium metal design which not only looks clean but also helps with cooling. For a mini PC, the build quality feels very solid. On the front, there are two USB Type A 3.2 Gen ports and a 3.5 headphone jack. Moving to the back, we have DC power jack, two USB-C 3.2 Gen and one USB Type A 3.2 and one USB Type A 3.0 port and two HDMI 2.0 port and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. And of course, there's also an SD card reader. This means you can control multiple monitors, fast external storage, and wide internet all at the same time. In fact, this mini PC can support up to 4 displays, which is impressive for such a small machine. Now let's do something interesting and open the mini PC to see what's inside. After removing the bottom screws, the bottom covers up off. And here we can see the upgradable components. First, the RAM. The mini PC uses DDR4 sodium memory with dual channel support, and it can be upgraded up to 64 GB of RAM. But this system comes with 16 GB and you can always update it later. Now let's talk about the storage. Inside you get a high-speed M.2 NVMe SSD, and the system also supports SSD expansion up to 3 TB, which is great if you need more space for files, videos, or projects. For a mini PC this size, having upgradable RAM and expandable storage is definitely a big advantage. Out of the box, the system comes with the Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. But if you prefer, you can also install Linux or Ubuntu, which makes it great for developers or home server setups. For connectivity, you also get Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless speeds are fast and you can easily connect accessories like keyboard, mouse or headphones. I'm really impressed of the Wi-Fi and using the internet speed test because it gives me the same results either you are using Wi-Fi or using the Ethernet port. So the results are same. Now let's talk about the hardware. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor, which has 6 cores, 12 threads, boost clock up to around 4.3 GHz. It also comes with the Radeon Vega 7 integrated graphics. This means it's great for office work, web browsing, coding, media streaming, light photo editing, 4K video editing, and even light gaming. Of course, this is not designed to replace a high-end gaming PC or video editing PC, but for everyday productivity, it's more than capable.
8 gigs of a big drawback.
Taking fire!
Reloading.
Enemy hit!
taking hits. I need help.
Enemy hit! Moving! Enemy spotted! Enemy spotted!
Safe zone is shifting.
Enemy spotted!
The GEEKOM A5 Pro mini PC is very energy efficient. In my test, it used around 38 watts during normal use. If you run it for about 6 hours a day, the total consumption is roughly 0.23 watts per hour. If you run it for about 6 hours a day, the total consumption is roughly 0.23 kilowatt hour, which would cost about $0.23 per day if electricity is $1 per kilowatt hour. So even with daily use, it remains a very powerful, efficient desktop option. So overall, the GEEKOM A5 mini PC is a very interesting option. If you want a compact desktop computer without sacrificing upgradability, you still get Ryzen processor performance, upgradable RAM up to 64 GB RAM, multiple storage slots, plenty of ports, and a very compact design. For anyone who wants a small but capable desktop under $600, this could actually replace a full size PC for everyday work, and this is perfect for you. If you enjoy this video, please make sure like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you use a mini PC like this instead of a full desktop? I put the link in the description of this mini PC if you would like to purchase for you. Check it out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.